Welcome to Nifty Indicators. It's easy to make money in this market. Yes, it's really easy to make money in this market, provided we learn. You see, when I say it is easy to make money in this market, I'm not exaggerating. But then it is also true that I'm in this market for last 45 years, 45 donkey's years I'm in this market. So I have the backing of knowledge and working experience of 45 years. Also, I am fortunate enough to belong to commercial vocation. I have been in finance throughout the first 20 years or so, and past 20 to 25 years I have been at the helm of affairs, managing the affairs of various companies. So you see, it is that much easier for me to understand the fundamentals, and last few years I have spent studying the technicals deeply. So when you have spent a lot of time learning fundamentals as well as technicals, it is that much easier. And mind you, it is not difficult. It is no rocket science here. It is easy to make money, and you can learn too, provided you are ready to learn. And I am here to teach you. It's up to you to learn. You can always come back to me with your queries, with your doubts, and I shall promise you I shall try my level best to solve them. Now, yesterday we had a look at candles. Today, let us go a step further. Let us try to see, as a trader, what are the types of trading opportunities are there? What exactly we should trade in? How we should go ahead. For that, let me share a chart of what exactly the market offers, or what exactly we should trade in. Have a look at this. This is the drop down chart of share market. The share market offers, or we can apply for IPOs, that's initial public offers offered by various companies, or we can invest for short, medium, or long term. Mind you, when I say long term, I really mean long term, 20, 25, 30 years, maybe more. And the best part of the money making is in these investments. There are people who have invested in certain companies 25, 30 or more years ago and made hundreds or more than hundreds of times money. They have multiplied their money hundreds of times. But most of us, we are looking more at trading. We would like to do trading. The option is left to you, whether you want to trade, invest, or put the money in IPOs. I'm just going to guide you. If you ask me, of course, I will also tell you whether you should put in IPO or investment or trading. That's a separate thing altogether. But presently, I'm explaining you, I'm teaching you how to make money. You can come back to me and I shall guide you further in other things too. Now, as far as trading is concerned, there are basically two types of trading: day trading and positional trading. Both day trading and positional trading can be done in spot as well as F&O. Spot, when I say, what I mean is in equities, shares in the day trading as well as positional trading. We can take equity shares and also we can trade in F&O. We will go further in detail the pluses and minuses, that is advantages and disadvantages going ahead. We will see that. But presently, let us see. In day trading, there is F&O opportunity, there is spot opportunities. What means when I say stock opportunities, any shares. Same thing in positional trading, we have got spot as well as F&O. In F&O, we have got futures and options, as well as in options, we have got calls and puts. Now, when you look at this chart, I have marked it in black, gray, and red. That is depending on the risk involved. In black, there is less risk involved. Of course, share market is full of risk. There is always a risk. The element of risk is not ruled out in anything in share market. But investment is that much less risky. Trading is that bit more risky. And in trading, day trading is more risky. And in day trading, F&O, especially in F&O, options are more risky. They are fraught with risk. But mind you, even in this, I can teach you how to make money if you follow the rules. Because you need to have discipline, you need to have determination, you need to have commitment, you need to have consistency, you need to have fund management, and you need to have risk management. We will study a little deeper into all these things as we go ahead. But for now, these are the types of investment opportunities in the share market. Look at this, study these. If you have doubt, come back to me. I shall explain you this thing further. Till then, take care. Goodbye. God bless you.